Tom asks, hi, can you provide a detailed overview of everything one needs to know about SBA real estate loans?
I think answering your question in 2 minutes is not going to be, we're not going to be able to answer all of it. Generally, this could be for a startup, could be for expansion, it could be for buying an existing building, it could be for ground up construction. We can use SBA for all of that. The big key factor is that you're going to occupy and operate a business within this commercial real estate, and you're going to occupy at least 51% for an existing building or 60% for new construction. So as long as it's a eligible business use, so like we can't right now, unfortunately, no cannabis industries, generally no mortgage type of money businesses, but everything else is pretty eligible. So as long as it's construed as a owner-operator business and you're occupying, it's eligible. We can finance anywhere from 80 to 90% of total project costs. On an expansion for an existing business, we could potentially do 100% of total costs. The rates vary. Wall Street Journal Prime Plus Margin is what the 7A is going to be based on. On the 504, it's 2 loans. It's a conventional first loan, and the second loan is the SBA guaranteed piece. So on $1 million deal, for example, $500,000 would be a senior bank loan. $400,000 would be the SBA guaranteed piece. So there's a lot. There really is a lot. But I hope I just gave you a little bit of information or prompted you. But really, what we encourage people to do is just book a call. We don't charge you for our time, at least for the first 15 minutes. If you're paying, we might start charging. But anyways, we'll meet with you and we'll help answer your questions. And also, you're watching this on YouTube, you can go to our SBA playlist. And I encourage people, because people like to go the easy way. I get it. And you can just go to Book with Bo and just ask me those questions and I can answer them. But you can actually probably learn a heck of a lot if you just watch our past videos. The SBA guidelines are always changing. There's always updates to the SOP. So we're always providing that every middle of the month. We're providing updates on the rates for the 504, which the rate updates. And then for the 7A, you're just going to be looking at Wall Street Journal Prime, and then you're going to know worst case scenario. Typically, my margin is going to be 275, but there's options to get a 1% margin and so forth. And so if you know that, that's really the general. But I would go to Investor Financing Podcast playlist, go to SBA playlist, and watch a bunch of the videos. And I think you could go from white belt to at least a purple belt in knowledge on the SBA program. So thank you so much. And of course, you can go to Book with Bo after that, bookwithbo.com. You guys asked for it, and we're building it right now. We're building a platform, a community over on School. If you're not familiar with School, it's really a paradise to bring together community. Some course creators put their courses there. Well, anyways, I get asked all the time about events and do any mastermind groups, do you do any coaching? So guys, I created businessownershipacademy.com, which actually will take you to our new school page that we're building out specifically for that point, because I know a lot of people watch the channel and they want to get involved more. They really want to take action. So really this community that we're building, this academy, is going to be educational first, going to be community building, meeting different people throughout the nation that are entrepreneurial spirited and are really looking to take their business and life to the next level. We're going to bring on a lot of my friends, colleagues that I work with, bankers that I do deals with that specialize in the SBA 504 7A Express. We're going to bring on different franchisors that I work with so you can get a deep dive on different franchise systems and how to run these businesses. We're going to bring on operators. We're going to have them walk through case studies of business acquisitions they've done. Really everything business ownership, different business opportunities out there. We're going to unpack. We're going to do a lot of interviews of people that own multiple businesses. And I really want it to be a community to inspire and educate and help all of us take it to the next level. So if you want to be a founding member, go to businessownershipacademy.com and it'll take you right into our community there at School. It's going to be awesome. We're going to do hopefully at least an event every 2 weeks, if not every week. They might be just lunch and learn types of things, small groups. I'm going to really want people to network and collaborate and get people really engaged and excited to take action. Really, at the end of the day, it's taking little steps every day to move the needle. That's really what I want people to do, and that's what our community is about. So join us there. Go to businessownershipacademy.com, and I'll see you on the inside. Hey guys, Bo Eckstein here. If you enjoyed what you saw, please subscribe to this channel. We talk all things financing. I've been in the lending industry for over 20 years, and I'm happy to answer your questions and provide great content.